So I thought we'd take a few of these videos, and this will be the first, and talk about some specific foods. So let's start with avocados. They're kind of popular, trendy, so what's the deal? Are they really that healthy? Is this a good choice, bad choice? It's actually a pretty good choice. Avocados have a lot of fat, but they're mostly the kind of fat that's healthy, the monounsaturated fat. And they've also got a lot of fiber. Mostly that's insoluble fiber, so the kind that we can't break down. Some of it's soluble fiber, but they both have really important roles in the body. We've got a whole list of vitamins and minerals that are in these basically fruits that we can include in a wide variety of different recipes and even just eat on their own. So I'm going to pull out just a couple of those nutrients because they're the ones that we're kind of going to focus on as far as what some of these health benefits are, which is why avocados have become kind of a big thing. The first one is fiber. 79% of the carbohydrate that's included in avocados is fiber. So we don't get calories from that. We don't digest it or break it down ourselves. So it's helpful because we have a compound that's very filling, sticks with us, sits in the stomach for a little bit longer, so we don't get as hungry for a long time. This also helps keep blood sugar a little more even when we've got a bunch of fiber there with the other nutrients to be able to kind of keep that glucose from going into the blood quite as quickly. So that helps if you've got diabetes or are struggling with your blood sugar control. It also helps keep your GI tract moving. Enough said there. It also helps in lowering cholesterol because that fiber attaches to the cholesterol before it gets absorbed in the body. So it attaches on and we don't let it get into the bloodstream because it's just staying in the intestines and going out with that fiber. So fiber is a really good, healthy component of avocados. We also have these healthy fats. These healthy fats do a number of things. First of all, they help us absorb some of those fat-soluble vitamins. So like the vitamin E and vitamin K that are in the avocado, along with vitamin A and D, are absorbed better because we have these healthy fats in there to help them be able to get clumped together with that fat to be absorbed. They also support healthy brain function, and this also helps with memory, which is a good thing. The part that we think about most often is heart health because of that role that these healthy fats play in having less saturation. We're able to help make those lipid profiles in our blood better and have healthier overall blood lipids, and then less of this fat sticks into the blood vessels to cause problems and have us develop cardiovascular disease. Both of these compounds help you feel full longer, which is helpful for weight control, it's helpful for blood sugar control, and it's helpful to be able to help you keep from having extra snacks during the day that you may not necessarily need. So is there too much of a good thing? Probably a good idea to limit your avocados to no more than one a day. Part of that is because we want other healthy, nutritious foods in our diets, and we want other good sources of healthy fats like nuts and seeds. We also need to watch if there are people who have challenges digesting foods containing FODMAPs. And these foods, which avocados are one of them, are challenging for people who have irritable bowel syndrome. Kidney disease. Avocados are high in potassium, so if you're dealing with challenges with your kidneys and need to limit your potassium, avocados are not a great choice. Also, if you're taking some medications like, for example, Coumadin, then the avocado can counterbalance the effect of that medication and make it so your blood clots even though you don't want it to. So check with your doctor if you have conditions that might influence whether or not avocados are going to be healthy for you. And then something to remember, 2% of all blade-related injuries in the ER are from avocados, so be careful when you're cutting one open.